again. I straight 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 again. Fuck Alexander Wayne. Wrist Eddie Kane. Talk McLean. Park it at the flame. Think I was insane. What my jeweler brain. Hiding Kirk Cobain. Hunter Bruce Wayne. Big boy Paddock in the skillet. Sit ring on from the
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today we're going to be reviewing some hair from Yolissa hair. And I am so excited about it because it's a texture that I've never done before. And am I not giving you 90s like, I'm a genie in a bottle? That was what I was going for. So hopefully that's the vibe that you got. So I have like this little genie ponytail, you feel me, with the little gold little piece, you feel me. I'm gonna show y'all how to do all of it. It was a struggle, I'm not gonna lie and sit here and act like this was the easiest thing to do in the world, because it wasn't. It really wasn't. And 5 minutes in, I wanted to say, you know what, I'm just gonna choose another hairstyle, but I'm not a quitter. My mama didn't raise no quitter, you feel me? My mama raised a go-getter. So yeah, you guys, today we are going to be reviewing some hair from Yolissa hair. If you haven't heard about them, now you have. Hello, this is Yolissa hair. And I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it sounds like it's correct. Anyway, as you guys can see, I must have a lot of caffeine in my system or something because my energy is off the wall. I'm really happy right now and I don't really know why. So this is their loose deep wave texture. It's a texture that I haven't tried out before, so I thought, you know, hey, why not give it a try or whatever. So yeah, today's hairstyle is pretty much like a top up, top down situation. We just have a side ponytail, but it is very versatile. I think it's something in this hair that just has me super lit, but I'm just like super lit, and I'm just feeling real good, and I'm ready to start this video. So if you ready, then let's get on with it. Hey, what's up you guys? So today we're going to be reviewing some hair from Yolissa hair. This is the unit that I made with the hair. This is their loose deep wave. Some of it's still a little bit wet. If I'm wrong on the hair texture, I'll put it down below or something, but I want to say it's the loose deep wave because it's a texture that I haven't tried before. So I've already plucked, you know, my frontal to perfection, you feel me? Hello, it was super easy to do. I created like this mock little baby hair because I am going to swoop this part, and then this side is also plucked as well. So this is how long the wig is. It's pretty long. So this is a 20-inch frontal, and then I have in 4 bundles of 24-inch. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in a ponytail. Okay, so I've already kind of made like this mock baby hair, and how I did that was I just used water, you guys, believe it or not. I swooped it over here and I just let it dry, and now it's automatically gonna go over here. So a lot of the styling when it comes to lace frontals has to do with water. You have to mold your hair. So I'll do a video in the future if you guys want me to on how to mold your hair using water. But yeah, so this is what we're working with so far. So my whole thing is about putting this in a ponytail today. So I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can get the best view as possible. So right now I'm preheating my hot comb, and I'm just gonna use my Beyond the Zone spray just to get these roots, because we are going to press these roots out or these edges or whatnot. I am gonna use some gel on this part, and I'm just using my Beyond Got to Be Glued gel. I don't know, I can't talk today. And then I'm just setting this in place before I proceed to give you what you need. I'm so corny, whatever.
Stashi. do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Yeah, I drive these bitches crazy, I do it on the daily. They treat me really nice, they buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly, but I ain't asking, they say they love my ass, 7 jeans, true religion, they never keep giving, I keep my tape, and no I ain't tape, we can keep on dating, I keep on demonstrating, in my love, my love, you love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my humps, they got you, they got you, they got you, they just in my mind.
Okay, you guys, so now that I have my ponytail, I'm getting this gold piece that came on my bundles, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around and then make a knot to like make like a little hair tie, I guess you could say. And then I'm gonna knot it one more time. Boom. One more time to make a little knot. Right, so now we have our base. This hair, I like the texture of this hair. I don't even have all of it down. I have put it in a ponytail in the back or whatever. But yeah, so this is the hair down. It's cute. It's a look. It's cute. This is all the hair up front with the frontal. So if you didn't want to have it flipped over like I just dropped my hot comb. If you didn't want to have it flipped over like this, you could, and have it just like going back like this, edges on fleek. Girl, don't talk to me. Of course, you know, I've wet the hair and then the hair still looks like this. It's very full and like fluffy, so if you don't like really big hair, you're not gonna like this. So you guys, this is the finished look. I just have like a cute little side ponytail with the little gold string wrapped around. Like I said, I got the gold string from my bundles. That's what they came in. Just get a glimpse of everything. Ooh. If you wanted to, you could definitely add more hair to your ponytail. That's why I have that extra bundle, just in case later on I change my mind and I want to. But this was already a lot of hard work as it is, so I highly doubt that I'm gonna be doing any edits. If you wanted to, you could do like some baby hairs with this, or like, you know, do like a little curly little baby hair at the bottom. I honestly don't know if that helped or intensified it, but, and of course you could wrap your hair around like this and do like a little top knot situation and just have the rest down. So I'll zoom out. You guys can do something like this. Maybe not have like your little bun so big, but you could wrap the hair around if you wanted to. But this is another option. You could wear your hair like this as well. It's just like a very versatile hairstyle. Like if you got tired of your ponytail throughout the day, you can just wrap your hair around. So yeah, that's pretty much how you guys do this look. I mean, it's really simple and easy. Like I said, you know, it's very versatile. I really like this hair. It's a different texture from anything that I've tried. I am gonna wet the hair so you guys can kind of see what it looks like wet. It don't look like nothing extravagant wet, but I just want to show y'all that it can be tamed if you wanted to. It's not like your super deep wave or your super curly hair. It's something different that I haven't really tried that much, and I like it because I like how full it looks like with my ponytails. Like my ponytails don't look all extra skimp or anything like that. So if I want to have this side, so this is the wet side, and this is your dry side. It's not that much of a difference really, but I do like this hair all in all. And if you guys did want to rock this same look, I will leave a direct link to these bundles down below, along with the link to Yolissa's store, so that way you guys can check out some of their other hair if you are interested. A lot of YouTubers have reviewed their hair, so I was like, it must be some type of good, sis. So I just keep hearing everybody talking about it, about Yolissa hair. Oh, here go my brush. I found it. So I'm just gonna comb it out for y'all. Ooh, splash myself all in the eye. And there's no like tangling or shedding or anything like that with this hair. I haven't really experienced anything crazy like that. It's just, I mean, and it's brand new also, so there's always that aspect. But yeah, so once you wet it, you can see like how it looks, just plain really. It's nothing too crazy. And then this is like the dry stay. I actually really like the dry stay. I love how poofy and curly it is. You guys probably want to know about shipping. You know, it's really difficult for a YouTuber. I don't feel like YouTubers should speak on shipping. Because the reason why I feel like YouTubers shouldn't speak on shipping is because, like, I don't know if a company just sent me some hair super fast because I'm a YouTuber, which in some cases they do, or if that's their regular shipping time. So that's the only reason why I'm like, I don't know if we should be talking about shipping, because shipping is not going to be the same for us all the time as it is for like a regular consumer, because they may want to hurry up and get a review out, so they'll like overnight me some hair, or they'll send it in like 2 days when normally it takes 5 business days. So I will check their website, and then I'll just list it down below in the description box as far as like the shipping time, how much it is for the consumer. But anytime that I get wigs, after I place an order with the company, I get my hair in like 2 to 3 days. But I do know, just from being like an AliExpress shopper, and before I was getting free hair, I was buying bundles. When I did have to buy bundles, my hair was coming really fast. Like AliExpress companies, they always ship super fast, and I think that's because they use DHL or whatever. So yeah, that part. So you guys, that about wraps up today's hair tutorial and review from Yolissa hair. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below and I will get to them at my earliest convenience. And yeah, this is the hairstyle that I came up with. I'm not like 100% in love with like my edges or whatever, but that's because I don't want to use the bold hold. I just don't want to use bold hold because I've just heard horror stories about the aftermath. So that's the only reason why I haven't really used it. But other than that, love this hair. You don't have to use bold hold. You can use some of this right here. But just know, it takes a long time to do these ponytails, you guys. Like, I don't know how people be doing this. Like, girl, I'm like, I had the hardest time trying to do a doggone ponytail. Like, it's so difficult. So yeah, that about wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.